Hi kids, I hope you're all doing well. So this is another PE at home workout for us to do. And for today what we're going to do is we're going to have
1 minute shuttle run challenge.
Alright, so this is also a time challenge because we're going to use 1 minute and we're going to count how many runs or how many shuttle runs we're going to make within 1 minute. The run is running from one spot to another, back and forth, going to that side and back. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. So how about the distance? So what we're going to use are 2 water bottles, and that's it. So what we're going to do is we're going to run back and forth, touching the water bottles and back. Alright? Let's see how many runs I can make within 1 minute. Alright, let's go! Alright, so that's our activity to wrap things up. I hope that you were able to do more runs than I did in 1 minute. Alright, so hope to see you soon. Stay healthy and goodbye.